Hey everyone, I'm Brielle from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm buzzing to share my review of the BALMUDA The Brew coffee maker. If you're a coffee lover dreaming of barista-quality pour-over at home, this sleek machine might be your morning game changer. Let's brew up the details. First, let's dive into what makes this coffee maker special. BALMUDA The Brew automates pour-over with its clear brewing method using precise temperature control and 0.2 milliliter drip increments for a bold, clear taste. It has 3 modes, regular, strong, and iced, with small, medium, and large sizes, maxing out at 12 ounces hot or 7.5 ounces iced. The bypass pouring feature adds finishing water to balance flavor, mimicking a café brew. Its compact 5.5-inch wide design in matte black and stainless steel looks stunning, and it includes a double-walled carafe, 5 paper filters, a dripper, and a scoop. The open drip lets you watch the bloom, and it even ticks like a clock during brewing. Now the pros. This machine makes smooth, flavorful coffee with bright notes like a $9 cafe cup, especially on the strong setting. The iced mode delivers silky, concentrated coffee perfect for summer. It's super easy to use. Just scoop, fill the water tank, and press a button. The design is gorgeous, fitting any kitchen, and cleanup is simple with hand-washable parts. On the con side, it's pricey at $700, a big splurge for a single-serve brewer. The 12-ounce max means you're brewing multiple times for 2 people. Some users find the medium grind outperforms the recommended fine grind, and paper filters aren't widely available, so stock up. Who's this for? If you're a coffee snob craving pour-over perfection without the hassle, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for solo sippers or small households who value quality over quantity. If you need to brew for a crowd or want a budget option, a standard drip machine might be better. Ready to elevate your coffee ritual? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's make every cup epic.